For the commodities then, let's go across to Ajay Kedia. He's MD and Research Head Kedia Commodities, and he joins us in Mumbai studios. Ajay, hi, welcome. Of course, monsoon is something that is keeping the agri commodities on a quite jittery note. But how about the non-agri space? Do you think the EU summit is something that the markets really would be watching out?
Yeah, good afternoon, Manisha. If you see the European crisis, it continue to be a major role from last 15 days. If you take an example of particularly gold, last week we have seen a very good rally coming up again on a higher side, but again from 1640 market has dipped down and taken a once again support around 1560. Timing, all are eyeing for the EU summit that will be starting from tomorrow, and maybe due to inflation measures there can be slight support in gold. But as long as market is trading below 1600 level, maybe we can see prices once again coming around 1520, 1530 in lower side.
Would you say the same for silver as well? Are you a seller in that commodity also?
Yeah, for short term we can be in the seller side, in particular silver, because we have seen the market has not crossing above $29 in case of international, and whereas it is just near to 2640, that will be a crucial support for silver international. If it breaks that level, definitely there will be a technical selling can be seen in the market that can drag down the prices near to 23 or 22.50 in lower side. In domestic market, definitely rupee factor will be more important, because we have already seen it is more than 25-26% depreciation we have seen in rupee, that is continuing to support silver. But as long as market is trading below 54,000 level, maybe this time we can see the prices moving back again in the range of 50,500 or 51,000 in near term.
Ajay, what's your sense on the base metal space? Because it's getting hammered from all the sides, whether it's Chinese demand or they're giving a discount on the electricity bill and the European data and the housing numbers as well. Nothing really seems to be supporting the prices here.
Yeah, if you see the base metal counter, no doubt all the fundamentals are negative for the base metal. Despite of that, take an example of copper, prices are still holding in the last year's same year to year. If we see the prices is just moving in a very flat range only. But looking to the fundamentals, that hard landing in China and Eurozone crisis is continuing to be mounting, and even in US data, no doubt last week housing data was slightly supportive for the base metal, but I think that the data are just like a steroids are provided for US data, US economy, and timing I will be slightly bearish in case of base metal. Also taking a copper around 420 will be the good level to take a shot. Maybe prices consolidate around 410, 412. But in case of aluminum, if we see already on LME has tested around 2 years low. So maybe definitely prices will on M6 also one can sell around 10350, and target can be near to 101 or 100 level in near term.
Ajay, how about the energy space? Because that really continues to decline. 1% down on Brent crude right now. Can't say the same about the natural gas. That has been holding in the recent days. But do you think it's overdone in sense of prices there as well?
If you take about natural gas, because already we have seen a technically pullback has seen from 102 level on MCX, and now the price is almost trading around 164 level. But the jump was slightly more exaggerated. But I'm expecting some pullback can be seen, because last Friday there was an update that the hurricane has been updated around Gulf of Mexico, but now it has been downgraded. So maybe we can see some pullback once again around 140 or 145 level. In case of crude oil, if we see prices technically, if we see below $80, maybe we can see prices once again coming around 73, 74 range. But as European countries has already updated from July 1st, they will be cutting the import from particularly Iran. So maybe that can change the view. But timing I will be bearish as long as market is trading below $80.
All right.